Welcome back, everyone. Edwin Velez here, and we're at one of our Cooper&Hunter warehouses here in the United States. With over 650,000 square feet of warehousing, let's show you what we have inside. Come on in. So we know the time has come for an important refrigerant change in our industry. And you beg to have that question. Well, do you guys have enough inventory to maintain what we're trying to do as we transition over? Guys, we're ready to go. Production has already begun on our 454B equipment in our factories. But as you can see behind me and all around me, we are fully loaded on our 410 equipment as well, looking far beyond what we need to provide for our consumers and for our partners. So here at Cooper&Hunter, we're ready, and our entire team is committed to helping you. Because
we are ready.
We are ready.
We are ready.
Estamos listos.